Welcome guys, welcome to the tutorials. In this video I want to show you a free way where you can host your free website for just free and zero fee. You can host your free subdomain website right here, right now. Okay, grab your PC or your phone and type wapka on your search engine. Just type it. Okay, now you have to click this website link here. It's a free open source where you can create a free subdomain. Here you get started. So now I'm going to create a username. Try if someone already claimed it, but note one thing: if someone claimed your username, you are not going to use it. You have to add some numeric to it, or you change the name because someone else might have claimed it, because it's an open source which a lot of people are trying to get access to, register their website. So it's going to give you a free subdomain. So right now I'm going to get one website where I can start building my own website. So I will have to sign up for this. Okay, create a password, repeat password, okay, create an account. Alright, I'm in now to the dashboard. So this is it. Now I can check to create a website. No site found. Now I have to create a website for myself. Site name should be FRP server. Okay, this is gonna be my site name, so I'm gonna select the subdomain head. So I would like it to be on wapka.co. So this is going to be frp.wapka.co. Okay, now I have my own subdomain. You can also back up and restore your data online. Now my website is ready. Here's my website, which is still a subdomain. You can also create a .com and then redirect this very website to any of the new name which you have in your .com domain, which I will teach you later on how to do that. So you can perform a lot of settings. You can see I already have a website. All I do is just start building this website, which might take a lot of time. So you see they already have some preview thing which you can select to use if you want. So if you want to create a music website, just select this. If you want a clean blog, you can also clean this. So simple, you can see. So let me say blog, so which my site is going to look like this. So you can also contact admin here. Like if you have any error, you can contact them while they give you feedback, but not unnecessary things. Something that is usual and reasonable, So this is my site and it's active and running, though I just have nothing in it now. For example, if I may try to visit it, let's see what it's going to bring. haven't started doing anything. Okay, here's my website now. You can see. So So all I do now is start building it where I can have user login, blah blah, or maybe update some things. This is how website starts. So I've already got a free website now, and I hope you guys will also have one. So I have to keep setting it up. Like, this is where you paste a post which is going to display in the front website like any of these places. So you position it, you are the admin, you have the right to do anything. You can also, do a lot of stuff like head tag, which requires HTML, so you have to be able to do HTML also. But I will, if any of my audience need this, I will give them whatever they want, the code which they need to begin. So it depends on your comment on how you require it, because I will not force you. I'm only trying to satisfy my users. Here you can see user login online, every of their doings, like who registered new, so you have your right to find them. So here I have to paste a fixed code here which can let me see how my site is performing, because if I don't put this here to configure my website, my users are not going to be able to log in or register. So this is how you start coding. You have to create a HTML code and paste it here. Then you can also position it at the bottom, at the top, however you want it. So for visitors, because it's going to be available for visitors. For all users, no, it's always going to be available for visitors, because they are external users which haven't got access inside the website. So all these things shows what you see inside your website, and as an admin you have to build it first. Message editor, so you have to design a code and also paste it here. So it depends on how you want it, guys. Get back to me, then I will give you more further information on how to start. Thank you guys, and keep yourself safe. One love, and never you forget.